Founded in 2016, Inspire Robots is an innovative technology enterprise specialized in the R&D and manufacturing of micro-precision motion actuators and dexterous operational end effectors. As a leading enterprise in robotic core components, Inspire Robots integrates R&D and manufacturing under one umbrella, with a total production and operation area of over 10,000 square meters across 3 locations: Beijing as its R&D headquarters, Suzhou as its manufacturing plant, and Shenzhen as its sales center. Main products: dexterous hands and micro-linear servo actuators, which hold leading advantages in miniaturization, high precision and force control technologies. As a leader in the dexterous hand industry, a pioneer of China's first commercially mass-produced dexterous hand, and the world's only enterprise with a dexterous hand delivery volume exceeding 10,000 units. Our dexterous hands feature high reliability and precise force control capabilities, adapting to long-term stable operation in various scenarios. Relying on self-developed micro-linear servo actuators technology, the dexterous hands have reached an internationally leading level in terms of volume, response speed, and gripping force performance. As the pioneer of micro-linear servo actuators, our products have filled the market gap and been certified as Beijing New Technology and New Products. Micro-linear servo actuator is not only the core driving joint of dexterous hands, but also empowers numerous precision manufacturing equipment to achieve intelligent upgrading. At present, Inspire Robots has obtained more than 100 domestic and overseas intellectual property rights and served over 1,800 customers, including many domestic lending enterprises. The products are also exported overseas market, with the cumulative delivery volume of dexterous hands exceeding 10,000 units and the annual production capacity of micro-linear servo actuator up to 100,000 units, which established a global leading position.